First off, I'm heading up to the Missing Bean Roastery. Got an appointment there. We're looking at a coffee machine. We're just waiting for Pete to turn up, and then we'll be able to get cracking with some of the work we have to do. It's just going to be replacing seals, and then Pete wants to do a check of the boiler on the machine they have here. And then we're going to have a coffee. Okay, so now it's about 1:30. This morning Pete and I went to the roastery, changed the seals on the heads of the machine there, and uncovered a few more problems, so we've got to go back and look at that probably this evening. We've been to the op shop to get some work uniform. Now I'm at the container yard doing some work on a different machine that's pretty well broken. Needs quite a bit of work. There's a lot of rust to scrub off some of the mechanical bits. And I tried to go and get a haircut. They were fully booked today, so I have to go a different time. But I'm making a bit of progress. Pete's going to do some office work for a bit, and then he'll be here. Sylph will turn up, and then try and get a bit more work done. I brought a tray of cherries for lunch, so this is my lunch today. We're back at the container lot now. I've been to a brewery. Pete was trying to make a sale for a coffee machine there, and now we've got to get ready for tomorrow's pop-up cafe. That's going to mean loading up Pete's car so we're ready to go in the morning. Then we're also going to see a band play. The head roaster at the Missing Bean Roastery is playing in the band as a bassist, so we'll go over to the pub at about 9:30 they're on, so got a little bit of time, and then we'll head over there.
Why doesn't it work? Why are you making it worse? 'Cause my body away. Tell my mind, my mind